Hi there. Today, with the help of our channel's medicine research scientist, we are going to provide you with a DNA sibling test. But first, why don't you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell? We are the best place on YouTube for all your health tip needs. A DNA sibling test indicates the likelihood that people are related biologically as siblings. In most cases, sibling tests are performed to determine paternity. Two individuals who have the same biological parents are called full siblings, whereas two individuals who share only one biological parent in common are called half-siblings. In average, full siblings share 50% of their genes due to common inheritance, whereas half-siblings share 25%. How accurate is a sibling DNA test? To provide the most accurate result, samples of a known parent should be included when possible. If the child's mother takes part in the test, it enables the laboratory to identify the mother's DNA inherited by the child and take it out of the equation, leaving only the DNA inherited from the father to be compared against the other test participants. Sibling DNA tests involving only males. All males from the same paternal line will share the same Y chromosome, which makes Y chromosome testing very accurate and conclusive test. This test will accurately confirm if the male siblings tested share the same biological father. Sibling DNA testing using mitochondrial DNA. Siblings who want to establish whether they share the same mother can do so by carrying out a mitochondrial DNA test, which confirm with a yes or no answer whether the tested parties share a common maternal line. With this test, both males and females can take part. We hope you learned a lot today about a DNA sibling test. Let us know in the comments below what you think. Enjoyed this video? Hit like and subscribe to Zooks Fit. Wait, we did not forget to tell you about our other awesome videos. Go ahead, choose one of these videos and enjoy.